Good morning, everyone, and thanks for tuning in on Sunday morning. So today we have Prateek Singh. He's the founder of LearnApp.co. LearnApp is an educational website where Prateek tries to inform people about the financial markets and many other products. Right. So Prateek has started trading at the age of 17 and has 12 years of experience in financial markets. With LearnApp, he's trying to educate people about trading, investing, business, and technology. LearnApp has various industry leaders on their platform, educating people. So over to you, Pratik. Pratik will be talking to you today about trend following.
Hi guys, good morning. Thank you so much for the introduction, Matti. So today, what we'll be doing, we'll be learning a very simple trend following strategy. Now, what I've seen with learning a strategy is that generally people teach only a few parts, or they don't start with the beginning, or they don't end it properly. So today we're going to start right from the basics and then go up and build an actual strategy that you can start your research on today and possibly modify and start using on Monday. Does that sound good? Yes. I want to thank everyone for attending on a Sunday morning. I know how difficult it is to actually do this, but hopefully you've had your breakfast. I am extremely happy to do this. My name is Prateek Singh. And this is going to be about 40 minutes long, Karthik. So if everyone can hear me, just give me a big hi on the chat. I want to make sure that you can hear me properly, and then we'll begin. So you can see my screen, right? Excellent. So one thing that you should know is basic looking at charts. If you don't know that, you'll find this a little difficult. But if you pay attention, we'll try to make sure we answer your questions. All right. Okay, excellent. Hi, good morning, Suman, Bhaji. You can see Vishal, Pradeep, Rohit, Hari, Sudhir, Srinivas. Wonderful to see you all here. Let's begin. So, as you all know, LearnUp basically is trying to create world-class, affordable education. We shoot them like films, and they look great. Basically, they're movie-like, and you learn from the leaders of industry. I'll show you that in just a bit. And we actually run live interactive classes like this one almost every single day on different topics of trading and different topics of investing strategy. So it's a really nice place. Go check it out. It's learnapp.co. All right. Now, before I begin, I have to show you this slide. We are not registered advisors with SEBI. So everything we give is basically purely educational and to further your research. We do not give any tips or recommendations. We only teach some basic stuff that you can build upon, right? So we are not registered SEBI advisors. Another thing is the presentation that you're about to see now, जो अभी आप देखने वाले हैं, ये मेरे personal views हैं. These are my personal views. So this is not investment advice, right? Whatever I've learned over the last 12 years, I've tried to simplify into this simple 4-part system. So anyone, whether you're a beginner or whether you're advanced, you'll be able to apply. Does that make sense? Yes? Jay Singh asks, is stock market make money if someone studies well? I think so, Jay, but to be honest, all of us focus on the strategy. I think strategy is maybe 20% of your entire thing. Psychology and risk management is like 90%. So today we'll focus on the strategy part, and maybe in the future we can do the risk management part as well. All right. Okay, so let's begin. So here's what we're going to learn today. Please pay close attention to the screen. First, I'm going to cover the basics of all of this. So candlesticks and parts of a trend is what I'm going to cover. Now, I could spend 1 hour on this, but I don't want to do that. I will spend only a maximum of 10 minutes on this part. And then we'll jump to the quiz so we all know that we're understanding. And then we'll go straight to the entry and exit rules and see lots of examples. But here is the thing. For me to do well, I need you guys to give me good feedback. So if you can, please write some words of encouragement like, well done, very nice, understood. So I know that you're understanding. Because if you don't type these words, I won't know whether you've understood a part, and you will get lost as we move into the future. So is that a deal? Yes? Is that a deal? हम ये कर सकते हैं ना? सबको अगर आपको समझ आता है आपको लिखना बहुत बढ़िया समझ आ गया very nice. If you've understood, just say understood, very nice, works well. Hi Vishwas Kotari, good to see you. Yes, all makes sense? Great. Now here is my part of the deal. If you guys give me good responses, I will make sure I do this quick and spend lots of time in the examples part. Okay? And I promise to finish this in about 35 to 40 minutes. Make sense? And here is the goal. The goal is very simple. In the next 40 minutes, this is Nifty's daily chart. You would be able to identify when the downtrend started somewhere around here on your own using a simple strategy that we learned today. Does that sound good, guys? Type GOOD, good, if that makes sense. Samajh aa raha hai? Yeah, please be patient. 40 minutes we will cover all of this. Yes, say going very well. Excellent. We'll keep this high energy. Please keep typing good stuff so I know you're understanding what I'm teaching. 40 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly when the downtrend would have started in Nifty and whenever the uptrend will start in the future. Let's begin. But before that, I have to show you what LearnApp is. Can I do that for just 3 minutes? Yeah, 2 to 3 minutes. So this is the website. It's learnapp.co. And if you open this, you'll see basically you can learn from the leaders of the financial industry. So we have video courses and live classes in investing, trading, and lots of other things. So we have, for example, the CEO of Bombay Stock Exchange teaching how capital markets work. If you're a beginner, this is great. Mutual fund seekhna hai. So we have a course on mutual funds taught by A. Balasubramanian from Aditya Birla. Value investing overview is taught by Naren. He's the CIO of ICICI. We have an overview of HFT trading by Siddharth, so on and so forth. We have a lot of other courses. If you are a little experienced, I would recommend you taking the Tom Basso course. If you've read the book Market Wizards, you will love this course because he actually teaches a trend following strategy that I simply love. We have Mr. Bharadwaj teaching scalp trading. We have an options trading strategy. We have obviously Nitin Kamath teaching how stockbroking operations work. And if you look at any of these trailers that I like to call, I'll mute this for now. They're shot very well. So when you actually take the video courses, it'll be easy to understand, hopefully. And he actually teaches, he manages 650 million US dollars, and he teaches what he learned over the years. And remember, all these are contributions by mentors. They don't get anything. This is just to share knowledge. We even have something cool coming up on Beyond Balance Sheets on how to, for investors, practical options, and we release almost one new course every week. Okay, so the rest you can check on your own. I just wanted to show you one more thing. In the live classes section, we actually run a live class almost every day. And these are usually advanced topics. So check them out. And they're all question answers. We run it in Hindi and English. We have option writing, introduction to options, RSI, so on and so forth. Check it out. I'm sure you love it. And for the people asking for the price, we charge 500 rupees a month for you to access all the content, even the new content we release every week. So it's like a Netflix for trading and investing education. 500 rupees DJ, pura access aapke paas hai, but we charge 3 months upfront. Okay, enough with this. Let's move on to the actual presentation. Are we all ready? Yes? Are we all ready? Give me a big yes, and then we'll start. Okay, I also have someone saying stop advertising. Sorry about that, Vijay, but let's get back to the actual. Can everyone just type yes, let's begin, if you can hear me? Great, let's begin. All right, so before I actually start, I wanted to tell you 3 things that I learned over the last 12 years. And they're very simple things. The first thing is that the system you trade must be super simple. If you are actually learning a system or backtesting a system or trading a system, which is very complicated. I used to do that with RSI, there is MACD, I'm looking at price, I'm looking at end of day reversal. It gets so complicated, you're unable to follow it, fear comes in and you just fail. So the simples you trade must be simple. That's what I do. Next, you cannot risk more than 1% a trade. Now, I don't know if you know what that means. Let's say you have a capital of 1 lakh rupees. You have to buy only enough shares that if you get stopped out on that trade, you do not lose more than 1,000 rupees. That is 1% of a 1 lakh capital. So if your capital is 10 lakhs, you should not lose more than 10,000 rupees. If you lost more than 1% in your last trade, you should seriously look at this, because this will decide whether you're a winner or a loser. Anyone? Did anyone lose more than 1% on their last trade? Yes? Anyone? Okay. If you did lose more than 1%, मैं हाथ जोड़ के आपका विनती करता हूँ, watch this course, but please make sure you don't lose more than 1% in a trade. If you do, your trading career will come to an end. Okay, so please take a look at this. Next, if you have a strategy, if it's simple, it's easy to backtest, you can find out the win-loss ratio. Now, the win-loss ratio is basically out of 100 trades, how many were profitable, how many were lost. At least 60% should be there. I trade systems as low as 55%, but it works very well because the average profit is much higher than the average loss. Now, I teach all of this in the risk management class, which we can do later. But for now, let's stick to the strategy. So to understand this strategy, you need to know one thing, right? Candlesticks. So everyone who knows candlesticks, please give me 3 minutes to explain candlesticks to our new viewers. Anyone out there who does not know candlesticks, please say, yes, I don't know candlesticks, and I'll know that it's you. Just type, yes, I don't know candlesticks. Hi, Ashutosh. Yes, thank you, Rakesh, for that. But anyone out there who doesn't know what candlesticks are, great. Now, if you don't know candlesticks, I cannot spend all the time with you, right? So I'm going to spend 3 minutes exactly because I don't want everyone else to wait. All right. Okay. Many people don't. Wow. So 3 minutes, full attention here. Switch your phones off. I will teach you candlesticks very quickly. All right. The first thing I want to jump to is this. You see this? This is Reliance. This could be any stock. And this is from 1996 all the way to 2018. A बहुत interesting चीज है. Look at this very carefully. We have Reliance going from less than 100 rupees to 1,000. What a move in a very long period of time. But you notice this is just a line. Can you tell me, people who don't know candlesticks, what line is this? This is the price of Reliance, right? But what price is it recording? Think very carefully. 15, markets close at 330. What could be the price that is being plotted over here? Exactly, close. The close for every day, जो हर दिन का close है, मतलब 3:30 बजे का last price, उसको रिकॉर्ड करके यहाँ पे पॉइंट्स बना के जोड़ के एक लाइन बन गया है. Let me say the exact thing in English now. At 3:30 when the market closes, the last price of Reliance is taken. You put that as a dot on the chart and you connect it to form a line. So basically, we are only covering the close of the stock of Reliance. Now, do you think there's something wrong here? Is close the most important part? Let me say this in Hindi. Close में कुछ तो गड़बड़ी है ना. सिर्फ close को कैसे हम रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं? कुछ और भी होना चाहिए. कुछ मिसिंग है क्या? मार्केट 9:15 खुलता है, ओपन भी होना चाहिए. तो ओपन और क्लोज हो गया, और दो चीजें हैं जो दिन में होते. क्या हो सकता है वो? High and low. Yes. So open, low, high and close. Correct? Absolutely. All right. So you have this. So you have the open, high, low, close of the day. Now, can we show the open, high, low, close in just the open, high, low, close in just a line chart? No, you can't. And this is why we have something called the candlestick chart. अब बहुत ध्यान से देखिए candlestick chart कैसे बनता है. Okay. So a candlestick chart is basically tracking the open, high, low, and close of a day. Let's say the market opened at 850 rupees. That's right here. Okay. And then it closed at 800. Now from 850 to 800, don't you think the market fell during the day? Market 850 पे खुला, 800 पे बंद हुआ, मतलब market उस दिन गिरा ना. Market fell on that day, right? The price has gone from 850 to 800. Hence, this is a red bar. So the open is over here, and you can see the prices on the right, not in this one, but the open is 850, close is 800, and it's a red bar because the price went down. Then, of course, we have the high and low. During the day, maybe the market touched a high of 950, and we show that as a wick over here, and maybe during the day the market fell down. Let me add one more. Fell down and went to 750, and that low is depicted here. Is everyone clear on this? It opened here, went down, closed at 330, but during the day, obviously before the close, It went to a high of 950, went to a low of 750. Usually itna range nahi hota hai, but I'm taking this range just as an example. And that's why it's a red card. Is everyone clear? Sort of, little bit? Yes, got it, little bit? Wonderful. Okay, let's move onwards. Now a green is just the opposite. The market opens at 900 and opens at 900 and closed at 950. This means that this was a gain day, and that's why it's a green bar. Isn't it easier now to see something? Now look at Reliance, this versus say this. Isn't this so much easier, right? Isn't this so much easier? So if I go here, I can see which stocks, which days were up, which days were down. Is everyone clear? Please say, yes, it's clear. If you've understood candlesticks so far, I want to go to the strategy as soon as possible. Manan, don't worry. We'll get to the examples part, right? Everyone clear? Please give me a big yes, yes, yes if you're clear. Wonderful. Ritesh, Ajay, and hundreds of other people saying yes. Let's move over. Now let's move to the next part. Now that we've understood candlesticks, we need to understand how to gauge a trend. अब ये जो Reliance है हमारे सामने, यहाँ पे Reliance गिर गया है. Reliance has fallen here. But it's easy to see what has already happened in the past, right? Everyone agrees, right? They say left of the chart is easy to know, right? So what we're going to do today is trying to find out in a live market at what point, exact quantitative point, is the trend likely changing. Okay, now to understand that, just like you can't learn how a watch is built, you first have to build the gears. A trend is also made of gears. So we learn that part right now. Is everyone ready? Yes? Okay. Fantastic. Let's move forward. So trends are not made of gears, obviously, they're made of swings. Now, for the guys who've been trading for 10 years and you already do trend following, this strategy may not be helpful, but there are thousands of other people attending. So please don't type in chat saying, this is very basic, right? Of course, candlesticks is basic, but be patient. I hope you like what you see ahead, okay? So let's move forward. So what we're going to understand is, to understand how a trend moves and changes direction, we should understand a swing high. Now I have a quiz for you. Is everyone ready? Okay. Is everyone ready? Mayank says, I know how to build a watch, but don't know stock market. Okay. Hopefully this changes. Yes, this is Pratik Vikija. Good to see you. Thank you so much, Manan. Thank you so much. So nice of you. All right, can we all begin? Okay, need a little bit of your help now, guys. For this to work, you guys need to be on your laptop, okay? I'm going to ask you something. Please answer on the spot. Okay, let's go. Now, let's suppose, here's what, oh, sorry, cancel. Okay, let me open the scribble. Okay, look very carefully, okay? When the market goes up and then it turns down, this highest point, you see this peak, let me make this bold for 3 pixels. This highest point, right? This is called a swing high, all right? Remember that. When the market goes up and reverses, after it has reversed, then we say in retrospect that this is a swing high. So when a swing high is being built, we don't know it's a swing high. The market has to fall. Got it? Got it? This Kailash Parvat you see over here, this Choti, this move up, this mountain top is your swing high. Got it? Okay. Let's do a quick quiz here now. How many swing highs do you see on the screen? Give me your answer. Your time starts now. Don't mess this up. Concentrate. Count the number of peaks you see and tell me how many swing highs do you see on the screen. Okay, everyone sees 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So let me count it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wonderful, very nice. So these are 5 swing highs. Wonderful, very happy to see this. One more test we'll do. Let's see if you get it. How many swing highs do you see on the screen? Tell me now. Go, go, go. Answer the question. Look at it. 1, 2. What's the answer? 3 and 4. That's right. So 4. Some of you got it. Some of you didn't. Okay, no. Almost everyone got it. One person said 5. Not bad at all. Give yourself a round of applause for learning swing highs very quickly. Now I'm going to give you a tough question, okay? This most people fail. So I think at least 50% of people fail in this. So I hope you don't. Please look very carefully and tell me the answer. How many swing highs do you see in front of you? How many swing highs over here? The answer is one. Very nice. This second is not a swing high because we don't know where the market is. I mean, the market could just go up, right? And that's just not a swing high. In case it falls down, then yes, it is a swing high. Wonderful. Very proud of you. Now that we've got a rough idea, because once you see swing highs on a chart, it's very different. So this is just for practice. Let's look at what a swing high, swing low does. Now, you already know what swing high is. Can you tell me how many swing lows do you see in front of you on this chart? Oh, what happened? 1 minute. Let me draw it again. Okay, I'll change this. I'll wait for some time this time and have a glass of water too. How many swing lows? So I'll tell you the first one. This is the first swing low. It's just the opposite. Very simple, not complicated at all. This is the first swing low. How many swing lows do you see after that? Can you tell me? Okay. 5. Wonderful. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very happy to see this. Excellent, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. So we have 5 swing lows. Now we need to understand what is an uptrend. Correct? Now swing high, swing low, theek hai. But what is an uptrend? So let's open the swing highs and swing lows. Now you'll see when we get higher swing lows like this, higher swing lows, you have an uptrend. So swing low, this is a higher swing low, this is a higher swing low. And then markets come down like this, and then we move down, we move down, we move down. Now, without telling you the answer, okay, I won't tell you the answer. I want you to figure it out. This is a swing low. This is a swing low. Okay, sorry, 1 minute. This is a swing low. Let me name the swing lows. So this is point number 1. This is your swing low. Then we have another swing high, which is point number 2, let's say. And then finally we have, sorry, point number 3, which is your swing low. Okay, our quiz is coming up, so get ready. At what point can you tell me that this uptrend has changed to a downtrend? अगर आपको एक point बताना है, तो वो कौन सा point है जहां पे uptrend downtrend हो चुका है? Can someone tell me? At what point will you say that the uptrend? So I'll give you a clue. Higher swing lows is an uptrend, lower swing highs is a downtrend. But could you tell me, if you had to guess, at what point does the point number 2? Point number 2, okay, but point number 2 is a higher swing high, not really. At what point? I'll tell you, it's point number 3. And not exactly that point. It's right here. As soon as a candle breaks the low of a swing low, the uptrend is in danger. Can you please write this down in chat, someone, so we can all see? As soon as a swing low is broken in an uptrend, the uptrend is in danger. I'll say it one last time. As soon as a swing low is broken, so see, this market went down and went below the swing low. As soon as that happens, the uptrend is in danger. Has everyone understood that? Yes? Please write it down if you can. As soon as the 3 breaks, not 3, the 3 has to break, then the uptrend is in danger. Okay, it's not a downtrend yet, but it's in danger. Got it? Excellent. Pratik Gupta says lower swing high downtrend. Excellent. Yes. Wonderful. You guys are pretty good at this actually. Okay, so let's go back. मैं हिंदी में भी कोशिश करूंगा, हिंदी में बोलता हूं इसको. ये है हमारा अप ट्रेंड और यहां पर है डाउन ट्रेंड. अब हम ये कैसे जाने कि कौन से पॉइंट पे मार्केट चेंज हुई है अप ट्रेंड से डाउन ट्रेंड पे? बहुत ही सिंपल है. जैसे ही अप ट्रेंड में जो लोअर स्विंग लो है, सॉरी, जो स्विंग लो है, वो जैसे ही टूटता है, टूटेगा कब? ये देखो, स्विंग लो बना, मार्केट ऊपर गया, नीचे जाके तोड़ा इसको. जैसे ही ये तोड़ा, वैसे ही हम बोलेंगे कि ये जो अप ट्रेंड था, ये अब मुश्किल में है, डेंजर में है. Okay, so guys, in English, I just translated what I said in English to Hindi, so you didn't miss anything. Is everyone ready to look at some real charts? If I knew Kannada, I swear I would have taught in Kannada, but I don't know. But is everyone ready to now learn in real charts? Theory ho gaya. Let's look at some real examples. Yes? Can we all do that? Give me a big yes so I know you're all ready. Wonderful. On daily chart. So this is a daily chart, Prashant. Okay, let's begin. Excellent. Someone said 10 minutes more. Yes. So actually, I think I'll probably need another 20 minutes, but I promise you I'll keep you engaged. So let's do some practice, okay? So now we have Reliance over here. What I'm going to do is, let's pick this area. Wonderful. Okay, now we have Reliance over here. And I have to find out the swing highs on this chart. So what do? We have to find the swing highs. So let me go to drawing, and I'll choose the doodle. I love this feature. And what we have is, this is the first swing high right here. Does everyone agree? Market went up and then market came down. Does everyone agree? Please type AGREE. That's agree if you think that this is a swing high, and hopefully you understood that part. Yes? English, मैं इसको हिंदी में बोलता हूँ for कल्याणी girl. Basically, जैसे मार्केट ऊपर जाता है नीचे आता है, ये swing high है. हमको swing high ढूंढना है इस Reliance chart पे. तो ये swing high है मेरे हिसाब से. अगर आप agree करते हैं तो agree लिख दीजिए chat पे. Do you all agree? Wonderful. Another 20 minutes and the session should be over probably. Yeah. Okay. But the good part is about to come. So in the next 5-6 minutes, you'll see the entry exits and you'll love it. So this is the first swing high. Can you count how many swing highs you see over here? How many swing highs do you see? Your time starts now. I'll give you 20 seconds. कौन से languages आप लोग बुलवाओगे? You're saying Kannada, you're saying Punjabi and Urdu. Only English and Hindi. Okay, I hope you guys have got the answers. So here it is. This is the first swing high. This is the second swing high. This is the third. This is actually also a swing high. If you didn't get it, it's okay. And you have final this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you get most of them? Please type yes if you got most of them. अगर आपको 4 या 5 मिले, give yourself a round of applause. बहुत बढ़िया. अगर आपको 4 या 5 मिले, गुजराती, ऐसा करो आप लोग ना सारे लैंग्वेजेस लिख दो यहाँ पर. मैं सारे लैंग्वेजेस पढ़ देता हूँ because आती तो है नहीं मुझे. So, perfect, wonderful, extremely happy to see this, guys. Okay, so these are all swing highs over here. Now let's put this into some work. One more thing you guys should know before I tell you the system. Let me zoom out. Okay, and that is the swing lows, right? So I selected Reliance on purpose because the charts are a little easy to follow. The other stocks are a little crazy, so I don't think that was a good choice. Okay, let's see Reliance case swing lows. So guys, I'm gonna help you on the first swing low. Okay, you guys have to find the rest. Deal? Okay. So let me select the doodle tool again, and according to me, this is a swing low. So the market falls down. This red bar made a new low. Market went up. As soon as this bar starts, this is a swing low. Now you have 20 seconds. Please type SL, swing low, is equal to, count the number of swing lows you see and tell me the number of, so type swing low is equal to and tell me all the swing lows you can see, including this one. Let's see your answers. I'll have a drink of water. Tab tak. यार आप लोग तो बहुत अच्छे हो. Very nice. So 4 5 4 5 I'm getting. That's actually the right answer. Wonderful. Punjabi में मुझे सिर्फ तुआडा आता है. That's it. Nothing apart from tuada do I know in Punjabi. So let me now count the number of swing lows for you. And we've reached the point where we can learn the system. So first swing low, second swing low, third, fourth, and fifth. If you got this or you've mostly got it, please say, yes, I've got it. And then I'll finally move to the entry exit and target of this strategy. Is everyone ready? Yeah, I had a little bit of water in my uncle. I'm a little tired now. Bhojpuri, good job, Rajneesh. Or kuch soch lo. Which other languages can you think of? How about Uzbekistani? Tamil, excellent. Okay, everyone got it? Excellent, good job, guys. Wonderful. So now let me undo all of this. So now this is clear. So let's learn the strategy now. Remember, guys, when I started 12 years ago, I actually dropped out from school. I did not have anyone to learn from because one person would teach RSI, but he wouldn't teach the system. And a person who would teach psychology would not teach the system. I wanted one place where we could learn everything in one shot. Now, do you think I could fit all these years of knowledge in one class? No, but I'm really trying my best. Okay. So in what I'm going to show you now, the point of this class is that we do a little bit of basics like we did swing high, swing low practice. And now we'll go through some actual examples with a real strategy. My point is simple. When you trade, you have to have a system and you have to backtest that system and then stick to that system forever. That's what I do now. So my point was very simple in this. I won't teach one small indicator and then run away. I wanted to teach everything. So I hope you guys appreciate that. Yes? Please give me a big smile because I'm really trying that that we actually teach the entire thing with the system. No, I do not know Udia, but I will try to learn it. Thank you so much, Shubham. Yeah? All right, great. All right, perfect. So let's continue. So here are the rules, guys. You can open the weekly charts or even the daily charts. You can do either. You buy, okay? Now, this is something that, this is not a recommendation, obviously, but this is the research you can begin with. When a bar closes above a swing high, okay? And I'll also teach you how to trail the stop. Let me open Reliance. Let me zoom in. I'll obviously pick a profitable example in this one, but then we'll also see some loss trades, okay? Over here, does everyone agree that this is a swing high? Does everyone agree? It's pretty simple, ना? मतलब काफी practice कर लिया है, सबको मालूम है ये swing high कि नहीं. Swing high है तो एक draw ऐसे line कर लो. Just draw a line like this on the swing high, and you will get this line. Does everyone agree so far? Step one, find all the swing highs in a downtrend. Everyone clear? Yes? This is a live session, Piyush Mistry. I can see everything you're typing. It's a live section. Yes? So this is a swing high. Does everyone agree? Everyone agrees. Yes? This is a swing high. Perfect. Step number two, let's go back. So step number one is find a swing high. Step number two is buy when the bar closes above the swing high. Aha. Let's see what happened. You see this green bar? This beautiful, handsome green bar has closed. It's a daily chart, closed above the swing high. Does everyone agree? What do we do when we close above the swing high? Yes, yes. So yes, what do? We will buy, right? So that's our buy entry. I will also tell you the stop loss, but let's have a look at this trade. So the entry was here. Now, how can you buy once the, okay, how do I stop this? Okay, how do you buy once once the Reliance is already closed? कौन यहाँ पे दिमाग लगा के मुझे बताएगा? If we are supposed to buy here, at what point will you buy? Because 3:30 market closes and you have to buy the close of this company. How will you do it? Yes, that's right. AMO, not really. So what you can do is you just buy maybe a few minutes before the market closes, right? It's a delivery trade. So, and not buy, but actually test, right? So you can test this when you're testing in your back test, that you actually make the entry a few minutes before the market closes, maybe 3:25 or something. Okay, is everyone clear on that, right? That's just a small technicality. Don't buy the next day, right? Buy just 5 minutes before the market closes. Now, Bisan is asking, showing a profitable trade doesn't prove anything. All it shows is that the trade was profitable. How can I predict the market to fall? Very, very good question, Bisan. I really like that question, and I'm going to show you how that shows, how that works, okay? So Now, in this case, the trade worked really well, right? It went up a lot. But can we guess where to exit? Should we guess? Can we predict? Absolutely not. It won't work in intraday, Ajay. It'll only work on the daily or the weekly, this thing, right? Okay, so do you all want to know the stop loss or not? I mean, we'll see different examples, but until you don't understand one, if I open a random stock, you'll just be lost. So this was your entry. You're buying the close. You want it to close above it. Now, if you're buying the swing high, where should the stop loss be, guys? Can you tell me? If you're buying the swing high break, where should the stop loss be? That's right. Yes, you always place the stop loss on the swing low. So the swing low is right here. That's where you're going to place the stop loss. So I'll put this as like that. This is your stop loss. And you hold on to this. Now, is this a big risk? Of course, but this is not an intraday strategy. It's a swing, long-term trading kind of strategy. And you're holding on to this. Now, here is the cool part. You'll actually trail the stop loss to the latest swing low, trail it to the latest swing low, trail it to the latest swing low. You are not predicting where the market goes. If you predict, you will lose. You have to follow the demand and supply. And over in this case, you were lucky to have caught the uptrend. So you keep trailing the stop. Over here, we have another swing low. So let's mark that as well. Let's move forward. And market went up. Do you predict anything? No, stop loss is here. And if you notice, this is also a stop loss. This is also a swing low. Market went down, came up a little bit. Next, it fell. It's aggressive, but it's a swing low. What happened here? You are actually now stopped out. That candle took out your stop loss and you're out. If you don't think this is a candle, then you could probably move your stop loss here. And in either case, you would get stopped out automatically by the market telling you that the uptrend is now over because the swing low has been broken. Is everyone clear on that? Yes? Pretty kind of SAR system. Yeah, Shivang, it's just a very simple SAR system. It's a stop out. Can everyone just type stop out if they got it? Wonderful. Yes. What about intraday? This is not an intraday system, Mehfil. We'll probably introduce that later. Clear? Clear? Sab log clear hai? Beautiful, right? Who said beautiful? Sumit Singh said beautiful. बिल्कुल सही. Very useful, right? बहुत ही simple चीज है और आप इसको टेस्ट कर सकते हैं. आपको टेस्ट करना चाहिए. किसी की बात नहीं माननी चाहिए. And टेस्ट करने के बाद आप ये देखिए. Look at that. After the swing low broke, the market went sideways, but it fell. Did you need to predict the market? Did you need to read a newspaper? Did you need to watch TV? Did you need to research a research report? Did you have to look at a balance sheet? No, because the largest people in the country, the largest investors, also known as DIIs and FIIs, do all of that for you. And based on their research, you will see their buying or selling on the charts. And the charts will tell you whether there's enough demand or supply in a stock. So why don't we go straight to the chart which tells us the demand and supply rather than reading a balance sheet and finding out which way the stock could possibly go? Only because it requires a lot of intelligence to do that. I think this is something simple anyone else could do. Did everyone understand? I want to show you more examples. Are you guys ready? Please type ready. Thank you, Vishal Nair. Okay, simple, right? Let's see something new. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's see something new. So, okay, remove this from here. And we have this beautiful trade. So someone said, open a random stock. Sure. So do you want to see lost trades? I think that's what he wanted to say. Of course. So in any trading system, so for the guys who were saying, open a random stock. So I'll open this random stock. I mean, this is actually still undo. This is actually still Reliance, but I'll show you the lost trades. So long only, remember, market closed above the swing high. I'll zoom in. Market closed above the swing high. We bought here, stop loss here, move stop loss here. You could move the stop loss here, but it's very aggressive. Let's move it here. Stopped out, break even trade. Entered here, exited here. Let's move forward. I love people who are very skeptical. Means they're thinking. And then we have this swing high broken by this small little, also handsome bar, but small bar. And this is your initial stop loss. You trail the stop, stopped out. Again, this is a small profit, but not a loss, guys. A small profit, not a loss. Let's see the next trade after that. The next trade you'll see is we have a swing high break. You buy here. That's really far, actually. I wouldn't take that trade because it's too far, but let's suppose you do. Initial stop loss here, move stop loss here, out. This is a loss trade despite the market giving you a temporary profit of 11%. But that is systems trading. Sometimes it will show you a profit, you follow the strategy, and you may lose, and that's completely normal. All right. Do you guys want to see some more examples? Do you guys want to see some examples? So how do you set trailing stops in Zerodha? Well, like most platforms, Zerodha allows you to actually you have to place an order every day for delivery, right? So we don't have good till cancel orders, at least not that I've used. So you'll have to place that order every day. But what you could do is we have Sentinel, and Sentinel can give you price alerts. And based on those price alerts, when stock comes near your stop loss, you'll get alerted. You can place the stop loss on that day. So you won't have to, so place a price alert maybe 3% above from your stop loss. And once you get the alert, you place the stop. Maybe that's easier to do than place an order every day. Okay. Shitajani, do you trade the system? To be honest, I trade a variation of the system. I can't trade something so simple. I'll obviously add something more to it to make it much, much nicer. Okay, so let's look at Nifty 50 over here. Let's open. All right, guys, we have one more example. Is everyone ready? Give me a ready in chat so I know that you can hear me properly. Just type yes, everyone's ready. Can you backtest this on streak? I don't know. You should try. Yes, everyone ready? Okay, need the full attention, guys. Now, here's what you need to do. I have Hindustan Unilever here. Let's take the trades backtested together. So hopefully, if you watch the recording, you should be able to learn how this works, right? So let's do it. So this Hindustan Unilever, market went up and it came down. This is a swing high. I hope you agree. This is a swing high. Let's see what happens next. Boom. And we have this nice bar closing above the swing high. What do we do when we close above a swing high? What do we do when we close above a swing high? What according to the strategy we should buy? That's right. Now, remember, the strategy that I'm giving you is just the beginning. You should do your research, modify it, backtest it for like 3, 4, 10 years, and then decide whether you think it's interesting or not. Okay. So this is your buy entry, and your stop loss is going to be here. So let me draw this. This is our buy entry right here. And this is our stop loss. Okay. Go down. Yes, see market went up. So no change. You're holding on. Ooh, guys, we're making a profit. Can I exit this trade? Profit to ban gaya na. And I just saw in the news that, something bad's going to happen. And Moody's has downgraded us. And God knows what has happened. Should I exit? Yes or no? Should I exit? Yes or no? The answer is no. You just hold on to your strategy. So that's your entry. You will move your stop loss here. Sorry. So your initial stop loss was here. And then you move the stop loss here. And as you can see, the markets moved up a little bit. You were just holding. If the markets reverse, it's a loss trade. Markets went down and went up again. Perfect. So we went from our stop loss from here, and we can move the stop loss to here, and then we can move the stop loss to here. Okay, so the entry was here. Remember, our stop loss is now here. Market's not doing much. Let's wait. Okay, gone up again. Nice. So can I exit now? I think the market's gone up quite a lot and kuch zyada hi profit ho gaya hai. Should we exit? Yes or no? Okay, template rooster saying yes, exit. Very bad. No, you do not exit. You actually keep moving the stop loss. You don't predict, right? Humans can never predict. Humans can follow a set of instructions, which is why we're so good at engineering. No disrespect. Obviously, engineers are the most creative people, but I mean to say it's easy to follow a set of rules rather than create your own, right? So don't predict. Great, follow the rules. So let's see what happens next. Market's gone sideways. Ooh, okay, let me show you what happened here. We had our stop loss here, and then the market just went below our stop loss. What happens when that happens? That's Shivam Nag is an engineer. Lots of respect for you, Shivam Nag. Yes, this is a stop out. Yes, exactly. Samir Dalme was the first to answer, followed by Mr. Turkman and Karthik, followed by Template Rooster and Rakesh. You are now out. What happens in case of a gap down? That is a huge loss to you, Pradeep. There is no way to predict or prevent from gap down. But I'll give you two little tips in the end, which might help you from this. I completely agree, Mayank. Engineers is why we're doing this live class today. Aap senti mat ho yaar. I have full respect for engineers. So that's your stop out, right? Now let's see what happens next. In fact, engineers are likely to do better in trading than anyone else. So you should feel happy about that. Okay, market gone down, nothing. But look, we're no position now. We made a profit from this trade. Look at this. We have now this a new swing high. So let's see what happens next. Oh, you know what I call these bars, right? Handsome, tall, green bars. And this green bar is closed above the swing high. What do we do when we close above the swing high? Can everyone give me the answer, please? Thanks, Shivang. Exactly. Engineers could train robots. They could even build a machine to actually trade this system. Exactly. That's a buy. So that's your entry, and your initial stop loss will obviously be here at the swing low. Hold on to it. And in this case, the market went up. Can we all give a round of applause for everyone? Now, the point of this is very simple. I didn't want to give you a strategy and say, "Isse to paisa banega." That's not how this works. I wanted to show you that every effort you keep from today until you continue on your trading journey, look to find a trading system which is simple and that you can backtest. If you look for anything else, you might fail. My point was very simple. If you have a set of rules to follow, then you can actually build stuff. So about that engineering comment, most of the best companies in the world are built by engineers. And the reason for that is that their products and their services follow a set of rules. And that's why it doesn't fail. Services might fail because a human is making decisions. So you have to be a quasi robot or a quasi, or think like an analytical mind, like an engineer. So you follow the set of rules. So if you don't like this strategy, find another strategy. There are a million strategies on the internet you can get for free. Find them, test them, and just trade them. Now, one tip I wanted to give you before you actually went out and tested this. Okay, do this on the weekly charts. Let me show you how this works on the weekly charts. And remember, I told you by the end of this class, you'll be able to tell where Nifty reversed. Remember? Nifty ka reversal bataya tha. So let me open now the weekly or daily charts of Nifty. And now you tell me, we are in an uptrend. Does everyone agree? Doodle, where is it? Does everyone agree that a swing low was broken here in September by Nifty? Do you all agree? Do you all agree? So that's right here, right? This red bar broke the swing low. And what happens when a swing low breaks in an uptrend? The uptrend is in danger, right? A swing low broke here as well, but nothing happened. It happened here, and the second swing low was broken. And that's when you know that the downtrend has begun. So in short, I don't think a technical analyst or a person looking at the demand and supply would be surprised with this fall. Yes, the magnitude of the fall we can never predict, but we do know that we are in a downtrend. So guys, can you tell me one thing? Is Nifty in a downtrend or an uptrend right now? मतलब निफ्टी अभी अप ट्रेंड है कि डाउन ट्रेंड है? बहुत ही सिंपल चीज था, यहाँ पे डेली चार्ट्स में स्विंग लो टूटा, हमें पता है कि अप ट्रेंड अब डेंजर में है, और उसके बाद वाकई में स्विंग लोअर स्विंग हाइज बने और ये कंटिन्यू रहा. अगर आप इन्वेस्टर हो, इससे ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन आपको चाहिए नहीं, आप बस छोड़ सकते हो, राइट? तो मे बी बेस्ड ऑन इन फंडामेंटल्स यू कुड बेस योर डिसीजन ऑन बाइंग द स्टॉक, बट at least looking at Nifty, you could tell whether it's a bull or bear market, right? I hope today helped. Let me show you some more examples of previous crashes. So this is another that we saw in start of 2018. Look at this. This is another swing low right here, which was broken right here. And we know that the uptrend is in danger. Sure enough, the market seemed to have fall after that. Then let's see any other fall after. Sure. So we have an uptrend here. We have a swing low broken. And sure enough, the market went down, but then went sideways, continued up. That's great. Okay, let me move forward. I'll also open this chart. So here, of course, there was some confusion. Market went here, swing low broke, downtrend. It went sideways for a while, but then it did fall. But you did know we're in a downtrend. I want to show you one more. Again, here, gone up. This is the swing low. We broke it. Probably at this point, you would say, okay, the swing low is broken. And indeed, the downtrend began. So if not a system, at least you can use this to identify uptrends and downtrends. At least that much you can do. Now I'm going to shift to the weekly chart. Hold on, guys. I'm not going to read comments. Otherwise, I'll just go crazy. There's too many of you today. Let me open the chart I want to open. That's 2000. Okay, that's another crash, by the way. Not crash, but downtrend. Way back in 2010, market went up, swing low broken, downtrend. This is really useful. So let me open 2008 on, say, a weekly chart. Okay. Now the weekly chart, guys, works best. Don't do this on a daily chart. Actually, the weekly chart for an uptrend works beautifully. Let's see some examples. This is 2006. Look at that. The swing high broke here and the new uptrend began. Kitna sundar hai. Look at that. It's beautiful. For an investor, this is a very good checklist you can have to know whether we're in an uptrend or not. Here again, we have a bar closing above it and the uptrend began, continued after that. Market went down. We closed above this. Uptrend continued. You see this again and again, right? So here, swing low broke, downtrend came. Here, the close happened above the swing high. It went up, but it failed. So you would have moved your stop loss to the latest swing low and you got stopped out. So yeah, it works a lot. Please test on the weekly charts. There is so much more I could do, but because we're limited to only one class, I hope this helped in some way. Remember, for your trading, you definitely need a system that you can test. If you can't test it, how do you trust it? So I hope today helped. I would really urge you to check out learnapp.co. We put in a lot of effort to build this. And the key to LearnApp is, as of now, to be honest, is not the videos, but actually the live classes. So the live classes we run are really nice. And if you attend them, I'm sure you'll really like them, especially the investing classes and the trading classes. Check them out. Even Bharadwaj takes some classes once in a while. So check it out. Thank you so much for attending. Really liked spending time with you. Thank you so much.
Hey Pratik, thanks for that. That was quite, like I myself personally learned quite a lot, and I'm pretty sure all of our viewers did also learn a lot. So we do have a few questions that we keep getting as Zerodha or what I've been seeing in the chat. So one of the
Thank you so much. I hope you appreciate the effort we did. Thank you, Karthik. Oh my God, Karthik said thank you. What more do I want in life? Thank you, Karthik, for attending. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vaibhav, Dinesh, Sandeep. Made my Sunday. Woohoo! Loved it. I hope we do another class soon. Please request Team Zerodha to allow us to do one. They've been so nice to let us do this on a Sunday. And thank you so much, Matti, for doing this on a Sunday. Really appreciate it. Thank you, Karthik, for attending on a Sunday. Everyone for attending on a Sunday. Thank you so much. Goodbye. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.
Okay. Bye, Pratik.